Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I hope you will subscribe and join us and see what content I have coming up. Today I have for you the Boxycharm base box for the month of August. I'm very happy with what I received. I'm just trying to catch up on all these videos that I have. This is the glamping theme for this month. And then I have variation 7. Okay, the first item, and this is what my choice item, was the Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. And this retails for $29. And I chose the shade Shortbread. I think this is kind of like light to medium is usually my skin tone, so I don't know if this is a little bit on the lighter, but if you haven't seen this, which I'm sure most of you have, has the big doe foot, pretty good size for a concealer. And this has really good coverage. I love this formula. I have tried this out. And let's see, the next item is the Violet Voss Essentials 2 palette. This is the 10 eyeshadow pans. Let's see, it pops colors. So I was going to see, it doesn't say if it has, I think it does have mattes and shimmer shades. But I didn't receive the first Essentials palette. I wasn't subscribed at the time to Boxycharm. There's just some months that I took a break for a while because I was starting to get overwhelmed, and I'm starting to get overwhelmed again with my collection. This is a gorgeous, I absolutely love this palette. Yeah, it has 1, 2, 3, 4 mattes. Look at that, gorgeous. And then it has, see if I can swatch. I don't think this lighter one's going to show up, the beige one. Let me try the chocolate brown. So you can see what that is like. Look at that. That is gorgeous. And then I'll try aqua. This is one of the shimmer ones. And it is absolutely gorgeous. This one is a little bit, trying to see if I get it, you can see it. Okay. And then I'll try one other one since that one. I'll try this one up here. This one, I think, this rose gold, but I'll show up. Little sparkle to it. Let me see if I can move my light a little bit, or let me see if I can change the setting on my ring light. It's still kind of hard to see. Let me try the copper one. Look at that one. That is gorgeous. But I am so happy to have this one in my collection. Maybe sometime I can get the other Essentials one if they still have it available. I don't know if it was one of those limited edition. You can still get the Essentials 1 palette. And this one is $36 is what it retails for. And the next thing is the Clarins Velvet Up Perfector. This is $26, and it's 02. It's in rosewood, velvet rosewood. I looked at this and I thought, whoa, that is really bright. But I think everybody, their packaging, some reason they're showing up, even if they got the nude shade, they have this bright pink. So you actually have to pull this out to look at it. And then it has this sponge tip applicator. Let me see. I don't know if that ring light is even helping. Okay. And then it just squeezes. I love this color. It feels really nice. The formula. Probably not the best application without my mirror, but I love this. I'm going to really enjoy this. It's really creamy. It's not sticky at all. And the next item is by My Tan Body Skin Hydra Glow Sleep Serum. This is $44.95. This is just a sleep serum. The only thing I wondered about this, since it was like $44.95, is it's just it's not really in glass. It's just plastic bottle. So they didn't really, to me, they didn't spend a whole lot on their packaging, which you're paying for the, you know, the product. You want the product to be what you're paying for anyway. But I just kind of thought it wasn't any kind of bougie packaging. But there's quite a bit. There is, what does it say? 2 fluid ounces. So that's quite a bit. And then the last item is by Real Her. This is the Definer Brow Pencil. This retails for $16. And let's see, I don't know if it says anything. This is just in, I don't think it said on here I'm trying to look and see. Let's see if I can check with my glasses if it says anything about a color. No, it says RHIL. I think it's 008, but I don't see anything about a color. So I don't know if these come in different shades. It has the brush spoolie and then this thin. And it's got that kind of tip on it. So this is the shade I received. But I'm really happy with this. I love eyebrow products, especially when they have a spoolie on the end. And then I've enjoyed some products from Real Her. So this was a great box for me. I'm very happy with it. So I have some more unboxings to do and even some hauls, and then I'll do some reviews. So thank you so much for sticking around. I hope you are enjoying your day.